Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. What are you looking at? A 2018-17 Macan GTS. But check this out. Oh my goodness. Broken timing cover bolt. Yeah, we haven't heard anything about that on Macans. However, I will tell you, this is my first one because most of them I caught early enough that we sent them back to be repaired under warranty. However, this one, I was changing the oil and all the oil was down there. So I said, hey, let me go look at it. And really why I'm here is to tell you about a hack. All right, so this part comes out relatively easy from the front. And yeah, this isn't rocket science, but it's tough to get to. You're actually, you get your air box out and you're just down the middle of where the chains are running. So right here is where this fastener goes. So not easy to get to, right? So got this side out and I was like, how do you get the other side out? Well, guess what? There was a hack. This piece of hose fit just perfectly over the tip of this. Now, for those of you that are going to say, hey, post a part number for the hose. No, I'm not posting a part number for the hose. But what I will tell you, I measured the tip of this guy. He's 4.38 millimeters. So 4 millimeter hose, right? But it just so happened that he sticks out far enough out of the back of right here, right there, that you can get the hose over the tip of it and then you can spin him clockwise, so you're taking him out the back side. So, I don't usually believe the internet, right? You got to have like 18 sources, but I said, I'll give this a shot because I wasn't getting vice grips in there. I couldn't figure out how to get down in there. But man, did that work absolutely perfectly. So to whoever came up with that little hack, congratulations. Thank you very much. This is the only one that I really saw that was leaking. I'm sure that if we dug in further, but we'll get this guy repaired tomorrow morning once we get some parts. And yeah, very, very cool. So if you got a piece of, I would say 3.5 to 4 millimeter hose, want it as tight as possible, push it on there and then spin it in a clockwise direction like you're taking it all the way through the hole. Fantastic. Super excited that that actually worked. Can't believe Porsche screwed up the torque values on aluminum bolts when they put all this crap together. What a load. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com. And I don't know, does this car have a fan? There's a fan down in there. So have a fantastic day.